Hey everybody, today I am working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I am going to be using up some leftover paints and having a little fun and experimenting all at the same time. So the first color that I'm using is Violet from Loft. I've got Silver from Martha Stewart Crafts, and from Liquitex I've got Bright Aqua Green. Part of the experiment is using the 3-in-1 silicone. Now I have been using it recently for the chameleon cells. I don't like to use it a lot, but I'm going to in my experiment today. So I'm going to go ahead and get some gloves on, do a little prep work, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I put the paint on the canvas already. And I'm going to go ahead and use my baby wipes. And I'm going to do a swipe. Oops. And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And there's no paint or no silicone in the paint yet. There will be silicone, but I didn't add it quite yet, so. Okay guys, so I'm going to take my 3-in-1 silicone and I'm going to put just a couple drops in here. And then I'm going to take a push pin, if you can see that, my little push pin. I'm going to dip the end in the silicone, and then I'm going to start right in the middle, and I'm just kind of going to go around . Okay guys, take you in for a little close-up. Looks kind of cool. So what my plan is now is I am going to move it around. Alright, so here goes. Okay guys, so I'll take you in for a little closer look. Not really a lot has changed. I think it looks pretty cool. This was my husband's idea. He had suggested a different color scheme, but since I was just experimenting, I thought I would just use colors that I had already had made up. leftovers, if you will. So pretty cool so far. All right, so hopefully it dries nice, and I'll be back, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so here's the painting all dry. Take you in for a little closer look. You can definitely tell that the purple dried quite a bit darker, but I actually don't mind it because I think it helps the silver stand out a bit more. And I think some of the cells spread out just a touch more, but nothing major. So I'm pretty happy with this experiment, and I'm definitely going to try it again with different colors. See what happens with that. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.